never sit outside, guys. This is a first. It's a beautiful day. I want to take my bike on a date. I guess we sit together. The least I can do.
Fell asleep counting the money, now I'm dreaming about the money, woke up thinking about the money, hey, keep my jeans filled with hundreds, got them fuck niggas out.
What is up, gang? As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, man, we out here. We in the streets today. Right on 250. Got her warmed up. Yeah, man, I'm back to the rocking the chest mount today. Got a mic, you know what I'm saying? Trying to upgrade, man. Trying to do a little something for y'all, man. Upgrade the video quality. You know, maybe y'all can hear me. I be saying some cool ass shit, man. Some good stuff, but yeah, you can't hear it in the videos. So, but yeah, I'm rocking the chest mount because I got a new helmet. I mean, y'all know I got a few, but the newest one in the fleet. This one, I'm rocking this one today. I haven't put a mount on it just yet. I'm gonna figure out where I want to put it. So, yeah, we're gonna go with the chest mount today. But yeah, man, hopefully this mic, you know what I'm saying, works. It helps you guys can hear me. You know what I'm saying, while we're riding and stuff like that. And yeah, man, let's get to it. I'm excited. Gang. we are here, guys. Get us some of the world famous River Roost chicken tenders real quick. Lunchtime. Alright, see. Lunch. As y'all can see, nice day for it. Got the bike out for it. Trying to be low key, kind of behind the post right here. It's a beautiful day though, man. Sit outside, you know what I'm saying? Can't beat it. Cannot beat it. The new tires on it. The fresh tires on the front and the back.
A few moments later.
Y'all ain't never had no River and Roost. We're in South Atlanta, man. These damn tenders is the best in the world, I promise. Every time. Got police over there. But yeah, man, they're pretty small, but they always hook me up. Order like a 4-piece, I always get like 6 or 8. Order a 4-piece a day, got like 8. But yeah, man, fast, really good as hell. Let y'all see what I see. A long line of cars. I don't know if y'all can see the traffic. The light just turned green. Traffic. Yep. That's about it. Nice day, man. Real nice. Not too hot. Not cool. Wind blowing real nice. Can't complain. Alright, gang. Done with lunch, man. My barbershop is right across the street, man. I don't know if y'all can see, like, across that way. Can y'all see my hand? That way. But I just checked in online on my phone, and yeah, my barber not even there. So yeah, we're gonna take it on in. We're gonna ride around a little bit, take the scenic route to the house, cause I gotta use the bathroom. Check this microphone volume out, man. Hopefully it's all good. When I get loaded up here. Everything in my pocket secured. Good. all on the new tires. Guys may know, some of you guys, this is the practice field. It used to be a lot bigger, man. They don't put this thing up, this divider, and cut it in half. But it make for some good riding over there, man. Get some gear on and go over there. Y'all see it. Got some videos already. Yep, that happened, guys. Not the first time. Sure it won't be the last. Came up sideways. Oh man, I bent my foot peg. Just a little bit. We're good. Oh man. Got dirt. Dusted up my jeans.